Hi, welcome to this edition of iPad Apps for ILS. In today's episode, I'll be showing you a fantastic app that's great for any classroom, which is called Timeline Builder. Now, Timeline Builder is a very simple app. All you're going to do is build timelines. So, for instance, I'm going to create a sample timeline. This is one that's already been created. I'll show you some great things about this. So I'll just title this one sample. So as you can see, you have your timeline name. You can do a description of your timeline. You're able to select backgrounds and fonts. And then from there, you can choose your start date and end date. They do include BC and AD or BCE and CE, depending on what you prefer. So it's going to create the sample timeline for me. So as you can see, you're able to move these all around wherever you'd like. Adds nice pictures, say you want to stagger them a little bit. And then if you click on one, it'll pull up a description. Now this is just one of the samples, so there's no real description with it. To show you a timeline that's been created already, I had to do this at the UNL Tech Edge conference. I worked in a group, created a timeline, and that was for Captain Cook's journey. So a very brief timeline, but as you can see, joins Navy, and then I just created a very simple joins Royal Navy. Now what's nice about this is it uses photos that you can either download from the web or take a screenshot of stuff you've already created. And that's what I like more about this, is it is able to provide that more creative input for students who say they draw an event instead of pulling a photo from the web. They can insert that into their timeline. To add more events, all you do is you click New Event. Very same thing, just event name. You can type in your description. You can put the start date. We'll do 1760. You can put an end date of 1780. You can add an image. You can search from Wikipedia right there, or you can import an image from your library. So as you can see, my current timeline is from 1746 to 1779. So I will just edit my end date. And this is a nice feature because it does prevent students from creating a timeline for, say, 1300 to 1500 and then putting an event outside that date. And click Done. And now you can see there's my sample one, and then the blue area on the bottom that's been highlighted is that time range for that one. So it is a very fun app. All of our iPads for the school have this app on them. That is the iPads for the CART, so this can be used within the classroom setting in a one-to-one environment. Otherwise, this is a good app for you to use as a teacher for either a history class or, say, an English class. A great way to use this within an English classroom would be to create a timeline of events from the book. We close out. You can see again, this is just a very generic. You can turn sound on or off. Some people don't mind the sound, others do. It's just your preference. Hopefully you found Timeline Builder to be useful. Now this app does cost, I believe, $4.99 from the iTunes App Store, but it is an app I recommend having. Have a great day.